Okay, here we are. That's where we are. We are right here. There we go. All right, keep walking. I'm filming us. Want to turn around and say hi?
I've never been more glad to see another human being. I thought I was lost in civilization. God help us.
Wait, I hear water.
Yeah, streams.
Oh, cool. Let's...
Cool. Take a look at this.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, look, a stream.
Oh, awesome.
Big. There's a huge ant again. That's a huge ant. That's a huge ant.
Where?
That's a huge ant.
Oh, wow. Look at that ant.
It's huge,
That
baby.
thing is gigantic. That is a colossal ant. It's a big one. Okay, let's keep walking.
Hey, I'm scared. What if it comes around my shoe or something?
Hey, baby.
What?
Hold my camera and film me for a moment. Yeah, I'm going to go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now you can keep walking. We got some people.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's okay. I'm glad to see another human.
I don't want to be on the hike either.
Woo.
Alright. Oops. Okay. Alright. So, this is the water that we're here.
Look, that little stream.
A little stream.
Which one? You see this little stream, the little puff of water that goes up here? Well, sad news. It actually comes from the drain. Okay, this fortress was used during the Japanese invasion of Singapore. This was a fortress, ladies and gentlemen, a fortress. Yep, a fortress.
I'm standing right here in the middle of history.
Yep. And I'm history. Let's go.
Alright, that's where we're gonna go next, right up there. Careful. Right on up here. Oh, walking, walking, walking. Oh, wow. Big trees all around. Okay. And that's it for the nature trail.